The benefits of tooth-colored fillings. Dental technology has advanced far in the past few years. One of the most well-known innovations in recent times is teeth-colored fillings. The days are gone of unappealing silver amalgam fillings which appear like a sore thumb inside the mouth. Today, thanks to colored fillings for your teeth, you can look stunning but still preserve your dental health. Then, what are the advantages of teeth-colored fillings? 1. Aesthetics. One of the biggest advantages of dental fillings that are tooth-colored is the appearance. They are designed to exactly match the hue of your teeth naturally, meaning they blend seamlessly into your smile and appear to be indistinguishable from your rest of your smile. So you'll be able to enjoy your smile confidently and be assured that no one is able to discern the difference between your dental and non-dental work. 2. Preservation of tooth structure. The fillings for your tooth are colored with a composite resin substance that is bonded directly to the tooth. That means there is less drilling or elimination of the healthy tooth structure as compared to silver-based fillings. When you have tooth-colored fillings that are colored, the dentist is able to keep the natural teeth that is healthier to ensure the health and longevity that your dental teeth. 3. Durability. In spite of their appearance, teeth-colored fillings are the same sturdy and long-lasting just like the typical silver fillings. They're able to stand up to the pressure of chewing or biting as much as traditional fillings made of metal, which means you won't need to be concerned about them falling out with ease. 4. No sensitivity to temperature changes. The most frequent complaint about metal fillings is the fact that they conduct cold and heat, which can cause sensitiveness to temperature fluctuations in the mouth. Teeth-colored fillings don't have this problem since they don't conduct. So, you'll be able to eat all your favorite cold and hot meals without feeling uncomfortable. 5. Mercury-free. Silver amalgam fillings are made up of mercury, which is toxic to the human body, which has raised concern among many people over their safety. Fillings with a tooth-colored color are not mercury-based and therefore a safe alternative for those concerned about the risk to their health from metal fillings. 6. Versatility. Fillings with tooth color can be employed for more than filling up cavities. They may also be utilized for the repair of chipped, cracked, or fractured teeth in addition to filling spaces between teeth. They are the most popular option for cosmetic dental treatments. 7. Easy to maintain. The tooth-colored fillings are very easy to care for and maintain exactly like natural teeth. They can be cleaned and flossed just like normal. They will not color or stain as they age. By maintaining a clean and healthy mouth, as well as regular dental examinations, teeth-colored fillings will endure for years. Dental fillings that are tooth-colored offer a myriad of advantages, making these fillings a favorite choice for the majority of patients. In addition to their strength and durability, teeth-colored fillings are aesthetic and practical solution to ensure the appearance and health of your smile. If you're in the need of dental care, think about asking your dental professional about fillings with tooth color. They are an innovative alternative to the traditional silver fillings.